Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this big wedding dress order that I've just finished. My client's on her way to pick it up. I've asked her permission to film it and share it with you. By the time you're seeing this video, the wedding would have been and gone, so I'm not giving away any secrets, so don't worry about that. And hopefully I'll have some photos of her wearing it to share with you as well. So Kelly came to see me with a concept of her sort of overall wedding and what she wanted it to look like. She knew it was a festival wedding, so she wanted something that was going to be really fun and easy to wear. And she knew that her colour scheme was going to be red and pink with some silver and some sort of lovely neutral, pinky neutral tones. She had some inspiration pictures of shapes and styles that she liked, so we sat down together and we had a good chat about everything, right from sort of the dress through to what the whole wedding is going to look like, because I love to get an idea of like what everything is so I can design the right dress for it. Once we had the basic design together, we started shopping for fabrics, and we found this amazing silver sequin fabric which we knew we wanted to cut up and use the shapes in it rather than using the whole piece, because we wanted the silver to sort of fade up the skirt and then be a detail on the bodice. And we decided just to cover the skirt with this lovely fine layer of tulle, just to tone down the sparkle on the skirt a little bit and leave the bodice as like the real focal point. At the top, the tulle is really fine, so it looks like these pieces just floating on her shoulders. Once we'd found the sequin fabric, then we matched the satin and the tulle. So once the sequins had arrived, Kelly came to see me again, and we got all my fabric samples out and we played with different colours and just worked out which combination would look best. And that's when we settled on this lovely neutral, pinky neutral tulle and the satin that matches it. She also knew right from the start that she wanted a huge red and pink flower crown, so we started hunting for flowers at that point, and we started stashing flowers as well. A little way into the order, she decided to add this flower skirt to it as well. So the original idea was that she was going to wear it over the dress for the reception part, but the wedding's actually 2 days, so she's actually decided that she's going to wear this for the second day. She's got a vintage dark red slip that she's going to wear underneath this. And then we made the cape because we had a lot of sequins left as well. So she's going to wear the cape with the dress for the evening of the day one of the wedding, I think. And then the cape with the flower skirt for day two. If she goes with that, she might change her mind on the day. Kelly then also asked me to create these two flower girl dresses for her little flower girls at the wedding. And we took our inspiration for the shape from the shape of Kelly's dress. We took the sequins and we just appliqued them on the shoulders. And then to fit in with the red and pink colour scheme, I've ombre dyed the same tulle as is on Kelly's dress. And it starts just the neutral colour at the top and gets pinker and pinker until it gets down to red at the bottom. And I love how it looks over the satin. It's just got that beautiful subtle ombre effect. I think these little girls are going to be so happy when they try these on. And they've got a big pink petticoat underneath them. And they're super twirly, so I make sure for little girls that flower girl dresses always have a big full skirt, because I know, I have a daughter, I know how much girls love to spin. Then to go with the flower girl dresses, we've created these floral headbands, again to tie in with the flower crown that Kelly's wearing. But because they're so little, we put them on headbands, so it's a lot easier for them to wear. And they've got this beautiful big dark red rose as the focal point on there. So Kelly's dress is made from the silk satin, and underneath there I've cut out and then appliqued on the shapes from the lace. One thing I didn't foresee, which I know about now, is that this really fine tulle was catching on the sequins. I actually go back around and applique a layer of tulle over the sequins to stop the top layer catching, but it's worked really, really well. Kelly will also be wearing a petticoat underneath this just to hold the skirt out a little bit, and again it kind of ties in with the shape of the flower girl dresses. Let me turn this around and I'll show you the construction. So the bodice is boned. I lined the bodice in the same silk satin, so it feels really, really nice to wear. And then there's a almost full circle skirt attached with an even fuller piece of tulle over the top. It zips up the centre back to the top of the bodice. And then there's just a little hook at the top to hold this together at the neckline. Kelly also found a pair of beautiful citrine earrings. So when she came to me with the concept for the flower crown, she knew she wanted a little something dangling on her forehead. So we've used one of them just in the centre front of the flower crown. And then it seemed a shame to waste the second one, or she was going to end up with an odd earring. And it actually fitted in perfectly on the very front of the dress with the shape of the sequin appliques that we'd put on. So we ended up adding that little earring to the centre front there, which I think looks really cute. Just gives it that nice little bit of movement. Anyway, I'm so pleased with how all this has come together. It's been so much work. There was so much hand sewing and cutting, with cutting and sewing all the lace appliques on. I had to applique the bottom of the cape as well because the pattern's so curved I couldn't use the edge of the lace to cut it. I think I'll do a tutorial for this cape at some point because I do have more of the fabric. I've got a whole piece of the silver fabric because I bought twice as much as we needed just in case, so we had a backup. So I've still got that to use for something else, so I will make a dress for my channel from that lace. I might even use these same fabrics because I just love this colour combination together. I think it's so beautiful. I'll also do a flower skirt tutorial at some point as well. So this flower skirt's just on a waistband and it's just tulle over a grey, it's over a grey petticoat. You know that I love things that can be reused and reworn, so all the flowers are just on brooch backs. They're not glued or sewn onto the tulle, so Kelly can reuse those for something else down the track. She's got the grey petticoat, she's got the white petticoat that goes with this, the flower skirt, the cape, everything's mix and match so she can rewear different pieces of it. She's already told me she's going to be wearing the flower crown again to another event afterwards, which makes me really happy. So, Kelly, thank you so much for choosing me to make your wedding dress and your flower girl dresses and all your extra bits and all your headpieces. I've had so much fun creating this for you. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with you on this, and I hope now I will have some wedding photos to share with you all so you can see how it all came together on the day. I think it's great to show you my real clients because it shows you how diverse weddings are now. It's not a case of you have to have that traditional white dress. Anything goes. So Kelly's wedding is a 2-day festival wedding. She wanted something that suited that. She's wearing her dress with gum boots and bare feet. It's just going to be, I can't wait to see the pictures. I cannot wait to see the pictures. If you like my video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and please subscribe so you see my future videos. Let me know if you're enjoying seeing the work that I do for real clients as well as the things that I make to share with you on this channel. I hope this has given you some ideas either for your own wedding or for ideas for sewing and creating things for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon.